From meteor showers to enormous moons, Earth is subject to some truly remarkable phenomena. The year 2022 is packed with breathtaking displays from space. Want to know more about the cosmic phenomenon you may have missed and some that you may be able to watch out for? Stay tuned with the Discover Space channel as we bring you the events in astronomy you should not miss in 2022. May 1st, Jupiter and Venus's conjunction. It happens every year that two planets approach one another, or rather, appear to approach one another from our vantage point in space. This year, it's Venus and Jupiter's turn. There will only be 14 arc minutes between them. That is extremely close, but bear in mind that this would be a pre-dawn sight. On May 6 and 7, the acrid meteor shower illuminates our skies. At its peak, the Eta Aquarids meteor shower can produce up to 60 meteors per hour, which is above normal. Even though the northern hemisphere can experience rates up to 30 meters per hour, the southern hemisphere experiences the majority of the activity. Since ancient times, Comet Halley has been noticed, and it is its debris that causes it. Every year, the shower is visible from April 19 until May 28. On the evening of May 6 and the morning of May 7, it reached its peak. An excellent show was expected since the waxing crescent moon set early in the evening, leaving a dark sky. After midnight, viewing is going to be best for a dark area. While meteors might occur anywhere in the sky, they will radiate from constellation Aquarius. Then, last May 16, a total lunar eclipse was anticipated. A total lunar eclipse happens when the moon entirely crosses through the umbra, or dark shadow of the Earth. The moon progressively got darker and eventually took on a rusty or blood red hue during this sort of eclipse. All of North America, Greenland, the Atlantic Ocean, and portions of Western Europe and Western Africa saw the eclipse. On June 14th, a supermoon dominated much of the night sky. The moon, which was on the other side of the planet from the sun, had fully lighted face. The moon appeared bigger and brighter than normal because it got too close to its closest point to the Earth. Early Native American tribes called this moon Strawberry Moon because it indicated the best time of the year to gather ripened fruit. It also falls on the busiest time of the strawberry harvest. The Rose Moon and Honeymoon are other names for this moon. This is also one of the 3 supermoons this year. There will be another supermoon on July 13th, so don't panic if you miss the one in June. Early Native American tribes refer to this moon as buck moon because male buck deer would start to develop their new antlers at this time of the year. The thunder moon and the hay moon are other names for this moon. If you miss this, the third and last supermoon of the year, which occurs on August 12, will be your last opportunity. The Perseid meteor shower will return on August 12 and 13. One of the best meteor showers to watch is the Perseids, which may produce up to 60 meteors per hour at its peak. Its source is the 1862 discovered comet Swift-Tuttle. The Perseid meteor shower, which occurs every year between July 7th and August 24th, is renowned for producing a lot of brilliant meteors. The night of August 12 and the morning of August 13 will be when it reaches its peak this year. Unfortunately, only the brightest meteors will be seen this year due to the full moon, but the Perseids are so brilliant and plentiful that there may be still great for showing. After midnight, viewing will be most enjoyable from a dark environment. The constellation Perseus is the source of meteors, yet they can appear anywhere in the sky. If the moon interferes with a shower, don't worry. Still, there's something to watch out for. Saturn will be in opposition on August 14. The ring planet will be closest to the Earth at this time, and the sun will fully illuminate its surface. It will be visible all night long and brighter than at any other time of the year. Saturn and its moons can be seen and photographed at their best around this time. You can see some of Saturn's brightest moons and its rings using a medium-sized or larger telescope. Jupiter will be in opposition on September 26. The sun will be fully visible on the face of the enormous planet when it makes its closest approach to the Earth. It will shine brighter than at any other time of the year and be visible all night. Jupiter and its moons, which resemble Saturn's moons, are best viewed and photographed at this time. You might be able to see some of the finer details of Jupiter's cloud bands using a medium-sized telescope. Jupiter's 4 largest moons can be seen as bright spots on either side of the planet with an even good pair of binoculars. The meteor shower, known as the Dragonids, will occur on October 7. Only 10 meteors an hour are produced by the Dragonid meteor shower, which is very little. It is made up of particles of dust left over from the comet 21P Giacobini-Zinner, which was discovered for the first time in 1900. In contrast to most other showers, the Dragonid is distinctive in that optimal viewing time is in the early evening. The annual shower occurs from October 6 through October 10 and peaks on the night of October 7. All but the brightest meteors will be blocked off by the first quarter moon this year. If you have patience, you might still catch a few decent ones. Early evening viewing from a dark area far from city lights will provide the finest sight. The constellation Draco is the source of meteors, which can be seen everywhere in the sky. Next is the Orionid meteor shower, which occurs from October 21st to 22nd. The Orionids are an average meteor shower that, at its height, can produce up to 20 meteors per hour. The comet Halley shower, which has been known and seen since ancient times, causes it. It occurs every year from October 2 to November 7. This year, it reaches its height on October 21st and 22nd, both at night and in the morning. The thin crescent moon will mostly obscure the sky, making an impressive display. After midnight, viewing will be most enjoyable from a dark area. Although they might appear anywhere in the sky, meteors will emanate from the constellation Orion. Do you recall the red moon from last May? The moon entirely passes through the Earth's dark umbra in November, so if you missed the one from May, there will be another. The moon will progressively become darker and eventually turn rusty or blood red during this kind of eclipse. Eastern Russia, Japan, Australia, the Pacific Ocean, and portions of Western and Central North America will be able to see the eclipse. The Leonids meteor shower on November 17th promises to put on a magnificent show. At its peak, the Leonids can produce up to 15 meteors per hour on average. These are formed by dust particles left over from the comet Tempel-Tuttle, which was detected in 1865. This shower is unique in that it has a cyclonic peak that occurs every 33 years and is marked by hundreds of meteors per hour. The last time this happened was in 2001. Every year, the shower is open from November 6 until November 30. This year, it peaks on the evening of the 17th and the morning of the 18th. The planet Mars will be in opposition on December 8th. The Sun will be entirely visible in the surface of the red planet, which will be at its closest point to the planet. It will be visible all night long and brighter than any other time of the year. The ideal time to see and photograph Mars is right now. You may make out some of the dark details on the planet's orange surface using a medium-sized telescope. The year is then brought to a close by a few meteor showers. The king of meteor showers, the Gemini, will be visible on December 13. Many people believe it to be the best meteor shower in the sky, releasing up to 120 different colors of meteors at its peak. The shower occurs every year from December 7 to December 17, and it is caused by debris from the asteroid 3200 Phaeton, which was found in 1982. This year, it peaks in the morning of the 14th and on the 9th of the 13th. Since there are so many and they are so bright, this year's declining gibbous moon will hide many of the fainter meteors. But there should still be a fantastic display. Gemini is the source of meteors, though they can appear anywhere in the sky. Our year ends with one final breathtaking display from the universe. Some brand new, some old, but all amazing. Words cannot do these yearly events justice, so you must experience them firsthand. Thank you so much for tuning in with us as we constantly explore the cosmic phenomenon you'd never want to miss out on. Be sure to comment down what other cosmic shows you want to know more about next, and we'll see you then.